Hi, I'm Sean. If you want to watch how I made this sanding station for my workshop, stay tuned and follow how I got on with it. Hi, I'm Sean. Welcome to the shed. Follow me down the drive. For years, all my sanding supplies just hang in a carrier bag like this on the wall. I take it down every time I need them, take what I need, and then put it back. So I thought it was about time I got organised to make everything reachable and in its correct place. This is how I did it. First of all, let me just apologise because I had a problem with my audio recording equipment during the recording of today's video. So I'm going to be doing a bit of voiceover across the top of all the videos today. The first thing I did on the project was I got all my 3/4 inch ply and I trimmed it all down to the relevant sizes that were to make up the box which is going to form the main part of the structure. The shelves on the storage will be made up of small pieces of hardboard, so after measuring them I noticed they were just slightly wider than the curve of the blade of my table saw. So I ran the two sides which were going to accommodate the shelves through the table saw to form the channels for the shelves to sit in. I slightly adjusted the side pieces and ran them through again just to widen the slot. Okay, lesson for the day. When using pocket holes, always remember to check the dimensions of the wood that you're using and the size of the pocket hole screws you're going to be utilising. A 1.5 inch pocket hole screw is probably going to be a bit tight squeezing through 2 3/4 inch pieces of ply. So I corrected it and I went through a 1.25 inch screw and this fit perfect. Here I secured the three main sides of the storage with pocket holes, ensuring I had a nice tight fit all the way around. Okay, Google off. So, I have the box, I have my hardboard shelf. I'm just using this as a space at the moment. I've got my little partition with my matching notches for the shelves. I'm just going to use some brad nails to hold it in place. It's not structural, it's just there to hold these little bits of paper in theory. Sorry for the noise.
Nice and solid.
So after the construction, I've mounted the sanding storage on the wall with a French cleat, just like I did with the drill charging station up on the wall there. There's plenty of space in here to store my different grades of sandpaper, my sanding blocks and my orbital sander discs, as well as my detail sander for the time being. There's going to be a new tray added to the top, which I can take down and utilise on the bench with my orbital sander discs. If you'd like to see what else I'm up to in the shop, I've got some other projects coming up. Hit the subscribe button in the top. If you want to watch some of my other videos, they should be shown down the bottom corner. Thanks for watching. My name's Sean, and this has been Sean in the Shed.